Hey guys, here with the 2023 Toyota Prius Prime, and if you ever see a check engine light come on after it's incredibly hot and you've been charging, if you see something where it says it's a malfunction of the charging system, basically get it checked out right away. Do not let it go. I received a malfunction in the hybrid system, and basically that was corresponded with a check engine light coming on. So basically what I did is I contacted my dealer, and unfortunately they didn't have an appointment until the following Monday. So I contacted Empire Toyota. This was a Thursday morning when I had basically been charging overnight. It had been fairly warm on a Wednesday. Went in, and basically Thursday morning, the charging completed, and when I got in to go to work Thursday morning, I saw these two error messages appear on screen. So I ended up calling Empire Toyota, and they got me in for the next Friday. So basically went to the dealer, and they took care of me. They gave me a loaner, and it took several weeks to get the part, but I had a RAV4 loaner, and I was able to get the entire charging system assembly replaced. And that basically is supposed to mean more tolerant to this type of issue, to prevent it from happening. It's also a safety issue, I was told, because the charging system could catch on fire due to this issue. So just wanted to let you guys know there is a TSB on this, and I will share that as well in the video description. Okay guys, good luck.